Pasko.
That is right.
Alright, here we go. We actually have a date ngayon.
Ayan na.
You get to see Incognito on Netflix. Alright, so, beginning January 17, 2025.
Mark your calendars, January 17 on Netflix.
That's right. Hindi lang yun. Meron pa, I1TFC on January 18. Meron pa, and on Kapamilya Channel, Kapamilya Online Live, Jeepney TV, TV5, and A2Z on January 20, 2025.
So it's gonna be everywhere. Talaga mapapanood natin lahat mga kapamilya. Netflix, I1TFC, of course, meron ng Kapamilya Channel, Kapamilya Online Live, GTTV, TV5, A to Z. Lahat po yan naabangan natin. Ang ganda ng pasok ng 2025 natin.
It's not far talaga. It's only like 7 weeks away. So bakit niyo yan?
That's right. Konting days na lang mapapanood na natin. Pero grabe yung trailer na yun.
Yeah.
And of course, we have to thank our dear creative minds behind Incognito.
Yes, Incognito, here we go. With that said, joining us on stage are the visionaries behind the Iron Heart. Make some noise for Direk Lester Pimentel.
And our business unit head for Star Creative, Miss Des de Guzman. Hi,
Here they
Miss
are.
Des. Hi, Direk Lester. Kindly take a seat and please greet everyone. Bumati na po kayo sa ating mga kapamilya na nanonood ngayon. Yes. Would you like to go first, Miss Des?
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat and welcome to the Media Con of Incognito.
Thank you, Miss Des. Direk Lester.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for coming over and thank you for supporting the launch of Incognito.
Alright, and now let's hear from the cast. Siyempre, kanina pa kayo inaabangang bumati ng ating mga kapamilya. Simulan natin kay Kyla Estrada.
Hi everybody! Thank you for braving the traffic today to be with us, and thank you for supporting, of course, the MediaCon of Incognito.
Thank you. And next we have Anthony Jennings.
Hello. Good evening po sa inyo lahat. And maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga pumunta dito. Sana enjoy niyo po yung trailer na.
And let's have Maurice Racal.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for coming tonight. Salamat sa suporta. Ganda ng trailer. Yan lang masasabi ko. Enjoy lang tayo tonight. Thank you.
All right, next we have Baron Geisler.
Hello! Thank you very much sa inyo lahat. Good evening sa lahat ng mga kapamilya worldwide. And sana po na-enjoy niyo yung trailer po namin and the rest of this event. Thank you.
Thank you, Baron. And now let's have Ian Veneracion.
Excited na kayo sa trailer. Galing. Ako sobrang na-excite and thank you for joining us and thank you for supporting this. And yan, sila Direk Lester, sila Miss Des. We're working so hard to give good quality show. So sana ma-appreciate nyo.
Thank you again. Next we have Richard Gutierrez.
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat sa pagdalo nyo dito sa aming video launch na Incognito sa mga kapamilya natin online. Thank you guys for joining us tonight. And congrats to the whole team. Ang ganda ng trailer natin. So, I hope ma-excite kayo para sa mga susunod na makikita nyo dito sa Incognito. Thank you guys.
Thank you, Richard. And of course, we have Daniel Padilla.
Hello po, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po sa oras na ibinigay niyo para ngayong gabi at sa pagtuloy. Ayun po, mag-enjoy lang tayo ngayong gabi.
Alright, thank you very much to the cast and also the creative minds in Direct. We also want to acknowledge our action director, Wang Yan Bin, and Director Ian Lorenios, who is not with us today, but we would like to acknowledge them.
Of course, napakalaki ng mga bahagi nila in making this project. And of course, our creative producers, Sir Henry Kitayan and Sir Jay Fernando. Hello po, maraming salamat. And also our head writer, Heneriza Reyes Francisco, and writer Maan Pampulmen. Hello po.
Our executive producers, Miss Sabrina Christine Prince and Miss Pamela Benjola Quezon. There they are, right there.
And of course, we cannot forget our friends from the media who are here. Thank you very much. And of course, our dear fans. For the support.
Okay, so now that you've met the minds behind Incognito, it's time to have a question and answer portion right now. And you will get to hear directly from the cast and everyone behind the scenes as well.
Yes, that is right. So let's make the most out of our time tonight. We have here the questions from our media friends. Unahin na natin for Direk Lester and Miss Des. Ito po ay para sa inyo. Ang ganda ng question. What is the story behind the story? Pakikwento naman po.
Who would like to go? Direk Lester, ikaw na lang po. What is the story behind Incognito?
This is a story about 7 individuals who are going through a lot of challenges in their lives. They're at the low, nasa mababang part sila ng journey nila sa buhay. Pero ito yung time na ng journey nila na they're aspiring for a second chance.
Thank you, Direk Lester. Miss Des, kayo po ba may isi-share po kayo paano nabuo yung kwento?
Okay, the story behind the story. This was presented to the management by Direk Lester, their team, and then the management liked it, they approved of it, and then pinasa sa Star Creatives. We helped develop and then developed. And so ito na siya ngayon na sana magustuhan nyo. Ayun, so
I'm sure they will.
Trailer pa lang, gusto na natin, di ba? Grabe talaga yung trailer na yun.
Yes,
Hindi ko
that's right.
makalimutan.
I have goosebumps talaga.
Yes.
Okay, next question. And itong tanong na to is to anyone who feels like that wants to answer this. So the question is, how do you prepare for your role? And how do you compare your role here